Hi everyone, this is our web application for recipe management system. This is our home page, and coming to here, this is our logo, and this is a page which redirects to login page. I just want to show you the documentation here. When you click here, it will redirect to a page where we can get all the routes we used for different functions. So the different for authentication purpose we used this functions like to register we use this function, and for user login we use this route, and to get the complete profile of a user we use this route, and similarly we use different routes for the different functions like to reset password, to get user logins, and also to see all the recipes and to see a single recipe. And if we go back, we'll redirect to the home page. Let's try to log in and see what we can do here. So when a user tries to log in, for any user like a new user and existing user will be displayed with this page. So if he's an existing user, he can directly enter mail and password. Let's consider that we are a new user and we don't have any account. Let's click here and try to enter any username for it. I'll just mention test 777, and email would be like test777@gmail.com. Password is gonna be enter any password that you remember. So now our account is created successfully. Everything will pop up here if we create a if account is created successfully. And if we go to login page, enter the email which you registered. So it's test777 . So let's try not to enter like gmail.com or any error in email, so that let's see whether it will generate error or not. Yes, the email is required. So this is our email, and let's enter like a different password. Email or password is incorrect will be generated with a pop-up, so that we can recorrect our email or password again. So if we go to the login page here, this is a page we will be redirected to, so where we can see home page, all recipes, profile, and soon we'll add a search bar here, so that user can search any recipes here. And when we come down here, we'll be able to see login history. So in this login history, we'll be knowing at what time we log in. And for this design, we used bootstrap carousel. And for the entire page, for the front end, we used HTML, JavaScript, CSS, React, and Bootstrap. For backend, we used Node.js and Express.js. And for database, we used like more similarly MySQL. And when we go to all recipes page here, we'll be able to see all the recipes posted by different users. So I just created like a simple recipes here. We will be changing the images very soon. So when we go to recipe here, we partitioned into like a recipe name, ingredients, process, so user can see this and and we'll also get the information like who it is posted by and their email. And similarly, login history is visible here too. And if we go back here and go to all recipes, we'll be adding a button here to create a new recipe by a user. We are not done that yet. We'll be doing that very soon. And going to profile, user will be able to see the registered email and the username, and this is a default image we have mentioned here. And if we go to reset password, user will be able to enter a new password here so that he can change his password anytime. So this is a basic functions of our application, and very soon we are gonna add like more functions to it, and we'll be back with you. Thank you.